Hello? Hello. What's up, Vogue Thailand? This is Mark TUAN, and we're here with Eveandboy. I mean, I'm super honored to be their first ambassador, and working with them has been really great. The shoot went really well, and I think the outcome was perfect. Yeah. With me, I carry just like my makeup removing like tissue wipes, and then I carry face wash, and I'll carry my lotion with me if I feel like my skin is getting dry, but I usually just use like some serum. Yeah. I don't really do much. I feel like drinking a lot of water helps. But if I feel like my skin is getting dry, then I'll use like a lotion, maybe use a face mask. Get there, yeah. That was a long time ago. But I feel like usually we would just share like a face wash. We wouldn't really share much of our lotion because I feel like everybody's skin is different. So yeah, we didn't really share that much. I think just being able to come back here, and I came here for my tour, so being able to be here to perform for them, I had a lot of fun, and just being able to see them at events like this too, I feel like it's a good opportunity to just connect with them again and kind of give back to them. Yeah. I think it's probably the laughing face, like with the tear. Yeah, the tears. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.